Today we'll be learning how to use push-to-talk mode in Zinc. This will allow you to use radio-style, real-time communication right within Zinc. You can now send and receive voice messages in the same app that you use for messaging, image sharing, and audio and video calling. Let's take a look at push-to-talk in action. Terry, an electrician on duty at a large hotel, is finishing up fixing a broken air conditioner in one of the rooms that needs to be turned over for an early guest. The manager on duty, Joanne, messages him on Zinc to ask when the room will be ready.
Almost finished. Should be done in 15 minutes.
Great. What's the status of the room?
There's some mess around the unit. Otherwise, it's clean.
How bad's the mess? Thanks. I'll send someone up.
Using push-to-talk is easy. From any Zinc conversation, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll see a small push-to-talk icon. Tap that icon to enter into push-to-talk mode with that person or group. Everyone in that conversation will now receive a message telling them that you've invited them to chat. Once they turn on push-to-talk, you'll see an indication that they are now online. To send a message, just press and hold the big button in the center of the screen. If you want to switch back to another mode, to send a message or start a call, press one of the gray icons at the bottom of the page. You can also open push-to-talk mode directly from the main screen. Tap the action button, then press the purple icon. Unlike your radios, you can listen to multiple push-to-talk channels at the same time. To do so, tap the gear icon to open your push-to-talk settings. Use the toggle to switch on multi-channel listening. To add or remove channels, tap the Channels button. Here you can add suggested channels and remove current channels. You can also search for new channels to add. All of your Zinc contacts and conversations will appear here as potential channels to add. You can now listen to all of these channels at once, or tap this button to listen to one of your channels at a time. At the end of the day, when you're ready to turn off push-to-talk, tap on the toggle in the upper left. To learn more about push-to-talk, check out help.zinc.it/push-to-talk.